なんか今年は去年よりすごい嬉しい。なんか自分の車よりかこの車がなんかここにあるのことがすごく嬉しい。もうボディキット送って2年か3年になるけど、この車の完成をすごく待ち望んでたから、なんかすごいなんか自分のことより嬉しいかな、本当に。
Nice to meet you.
Oh man.
Oh,
So first time
amazing.
in person, right?
Yeah.
What do you think?
素晴らしい。Amazing, amazing. USA first car.
Number one. Number one.
We like that.
We gotta have a plaque.
彼がアメリカで一番最初にうちのボディキットを買ってくれた人です。もう僕はもう感謝しかないですね。本当に。しかもあんなに綺麗な車を作っていただいて、なんかもう見た時僕は本当に感動して、もう涙が出そうでした。本当に、同じ車好きとしてもうすごいハッピー。
I've got goosebumps. Got goosebumps. It's honestly the honor's all mine. You're GT-R royalty to me, so your compliments just mean a lot. So thank you so much. When I was building the car, I had really high expectations. The craftsmanship of the body kit when it came in, it was so well done that we just knew that we had to be at that high level. And then seeing your car last year, we just knew that it just had to be the best R32 we could possibly build.
ありがとうございます。あんなに綺麗なね車作ってもらってなんか本当に嬉しい。一緒になんか機会があればね、撮影したいね。
Oh, we have to take some pictures together. We have to. He probably remembers, but last year I was here for an hour every day just staring at the car. I just couldn't stop looking at it.
ああ、いや覚えてる。
He remembers.
No, I was taking it all in. It's a sight to be seen.
じゃあ次はドライカーボンで作りますか？
I promise you, one day I'm gonna have him build me one, and I'm gonna import it to America, built by him. I want that. I would love that.
じゃあUSA 第1号ファストカードライカーボン R?
Yeah. I've got an R34 in Japan right now. That if he only had a kit for that.
Yeah, meet the purpose tree. Yeah.
あれのキットあったらね欲しい。
Yeah, I'm speechless. Like, it's insane. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
本当に嬉しいね。なんかもう、キット送ったの多分 2,3 年前だもんね。だから作るのにすごい手間と時間かけてあんなに綺麗に作ってもらって、本当に僕はもう見た瞬間びっくりしました。本当にもうありがたい。もう本当にありがとうの一言ですね。
Hey, watch this.
すごい。
So the batteries are under here. You flip this up and you pull this, and this is how it charges.
わお。すごい。
Titanium? Titanium.
Very good.
Oh, I love the hard lines. They're such a good touch.
こんなとこも全部作り変えてる。水のライン。
The header lines for the water, all handmade. He made.
すごい。
これも一回これラジエーターもこれ作ってるんですか？で一回じゃ下げてるんだ。見えないように。
普通はここだもん。
そうっすよね。下げてわざわざ取り回して、でブラックアウトして。すごいっすね。すごい。
Next project active A33.
Let's do it.
By the way.
Let's do it. We're excited.
Yeah.
We love it. We love it.
すごいでもこれ。めっちゃ綺麗。びっくりした。
We try very hard to keep it very like perfect, but it drives in. I mean, it's a running driving car.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's okay.
Good sound. Good. Good. Very good. 送ったのは2、3年前。うん。かなり前だから作るのにすごい時間かける。FRP。うん。
FRP とカルボンどこが違うんですか？
いやもう素材だけ。うん。形は全部一緒。作るのはまあどっちも大変。これリアフェンダーが途中からこの辺ぐらいからスムージングしてるからスムージングするのすごい大変なので、でもすごい綺麗に作ってる。
Our hood clearance is very, very difficult, and then with the mechanical pump, we're afraid that it's going to hit in here. So, is this SS-Active the hood?
Yeah.
We might need one of those. And then
うちエンジンマウント作りましたもんね。ローマウントのやつ。
He made a low mount engine mount for the RB30s as well.
I need one of those.
Yeah, we need that.
So
どれぐらいですか？
どれぐらいだったかな。半分近く。
About half the size of the height
of the
of the
OEs.
yeah, yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
But he's using OEM spec.
Nismo ones, I guess.
Yeah.
So-
マウントですか？
これはニスモ。
Yeah. Yeah, that's why you don't see it like
Yeah,
high
yeah,
because
yeah.
they came out with that whole RB30 spec.
That's
Beautiful. That's
super nice. I mean, keeping the center of gravity low as far as the performance aspect is wonderful.
We're bringing like a lot of the like this accessory stuff, the strut
Right.
bars, the cooling panels.
There was a gentleman reached out to me yesterday at our booth requesting a FRP kit, and I was like, well, I gotta talk to the guys.
3人の FRP のキットだったら在庫いくかありますか？ He has it in stock right now.
Okay, so
He has one carbon, wet carbon, and one FRP one.
it makes me want to do one on my car so bad.
They got a kit in stock.
I know. I know. It's perfect. It's perfect. The wheel, like the center lock.
The center lock.
So I want those so bad.
He has a couple sets.
I want that.
Is it a proprietary hub?
The adapter hub has
The regular bolt pattern? Okay.
I can just message you and you'll send me some. I want them on the GT-R and the Z, both.
I guess it's 5x114, so go on.
But then I gotta buy new wheels. I love it, man. Stop it.
Your build is pretty clean too.
Yeah.
Pretty impressive.
We've met so many cool people, and I'm very excited that one, we got to work, with the SS-Active, but to be here to represent has been very special. This one's you?
No.
That's Sankeng.
Oh, Sankeng. We need you to sign that one.
Sakamoto さんにサインしてもらえます。Please, please.
You got any comments about the body kit or the?
Absolutely. So we flat out love it, and even being the FRP kit, it's had such a amazing, reception, and we try hard to compare to the garage active cars, right? The dry carbons, and we love it. So I think my personal one, we're gonna do it. So like probably my biggest comment is I love how much it accentuates the factory lines, and like a lot of the wide bodies on 32s, I'm not a fan because they look so blocky or so bulky. And my personal opinion, if you didn't know better, you'd think this is a factory car. Our painter, even though he had it for quite a long time, he said it was one of the best kits he's had to work with. High praise on the quality of the product itself and how easy it was to fit it. And it's a huge blessing. It's very little, fitment work had to happen. Power plant wise, it's the RB30 block with 26 head, ported with all the goodies, billet cams, and then we're running the Nitto 3.2 stroker kit and all PRP accessories. So the PRP block brace with the integrated mains, Rips Racing extended sump, so it is still a wet sump engine right now. For those that aren't really familiar with like the RB26, we've done an extensive amount of like shave work and customization on the valve covers, and talking to a lot of the industry leaders in RB platform, they've never seen anything like it. When we went with this billet front plate to house the mechanical fuel pump, we had to cut the entire front radius to make this fit. Well, then we deleted the mount bolts. So, you know, Devin, our fabricator, welded across here to basically attach to the ornament plate, so it's kind of like a 2JZ. Shaved the twin turbo like notch that was there, deleted the igniter mount, and kind of gave it its own factory looking piece, so like as if it never existed, and then cut away the breathers and bridged them across the inside, again kind of inspired by the 2JZ. That's kind of been the number one, oh my god, look at that. The next would be the turbo manifold, which we drew inspiration from the early style inline 6 NA, where all the runners were top mounted like that. So that's been a very key thing that people have talked to us about. And then not to mention the titanium work with the anodizing that we did all in-house. And getting out there looking at your guys' stuff, man, it's unreal. Like, definitely photos don't do it justice, you know.